Pororo! Poby the photographer.
Snow is coming down. I wonder what the forest friends are up to.
It's been a while since I've taken pictures. Always say cheese when taking a picture. Nice. Huh? What was that?
You missed!
A snow fight. Well then.
Now it's my turn. Here goes! Yes, I got you! Huh? What's that? Poby?
Hi. I'm taking pictures of you playing in the snow.
After taking Pororo and Crong's pictures, Poby headed to Eddy's house.
Is that you, Poby? Come in.
Hi, Eddy. What are you doing?
I'm making natural fuel. If this succeeds, I'll become a famous scientist.
Really? Then I should take some photos of this important moment.
Photos? That sounds nice. Cheese. Poby, can you come closer and take some picture of my experiment?
Okay.
This is a historical moment. This is a... Huh?
Poby left Eddy's house and went to Loopy's.
Loopy! Oh, that's right. Loopy!
Hi, Poby. Come in. Oh, what are you doing?
Taking pictures of us. I'm going to Patty's after this.
Good. I was on my way to Patty's right now. I hope Patty likes apple pie.
Oh, Loopy, stay right there. Now say cheese.
Cheese, cheese. All done.
Patty!
Huh? Hey, it's you two. Huh? What are you doing?
I'm taking pictures. Are you making a mailbox?
Yes, all I need to do is paint it.
Patty, take the camera.
Huh?
And leave the painting to me. Like this. And this.
Hey, Poby.
Huh?
Oh, we can't see the mailbox. Let's try again, shall we?
All right. How about now?
Here goes.
Here goes. Oh.
A lot of things happened today. But Poby still likes taking pictures very much.